Welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristin Hildabrand, your host, and visiting with us today is Colby Dye. He's Allen County's Agriculture and Natural Resources Extension Agent. Welcome, Colby.
Thanks for having me, Kristin.
Yes, I'm so glad because you and I have worked really closely, and also the area has worked really closely on a program that we're excited to launch this fall, and it's Farming 101. Can you kind of walk us through kind of what this program is about and who it's geared towards?
Yeah, so Farming 101 is going to be an online course. We're doing it through Canvas, which is what UK uses for its classroom instruction, so we're using that same platform. We're launching this course. It's going to be talking about all the different types of things that you need to kind of get started in farming, because it's geared towards the beginning farmer. So it's really to help people get off their feet and get their enterprise started.
Yes, I know farming can be very challenging, and this is a great program, I feel like, to help farmers, like you said, on the beginner level, that help them succeed in their farming ventures. And so can you walk us through kind of how this program is laid out? I know you said it's an online program.
Yeah, absolutely. So you'll sign up with us. You'll get signed up online. We'll get you a code and get signed into Canvas, and then everything will be right there on that Canvas page. It'll kind of start with some basics. So we kind of walk through what we do in extension, and then we also talk about some of our partnership organizations that we have. We work closely with FSA, the Conservation District, on a lot of programs, so it can be kind of confusing. I know we have a lot of people that want to come talk to us, and we have to direct them somewhere else, or FSA or Conservation District will send people to us because they really need to talk to us about what we do. And so it's kind of important to lay out, what these organizations do, what they can support the farmers with, and that's kind of the beginning part and getting that set up. And there's also a lot of paperwork before you can start growing anything or raising an animal, as far as setting up your farm number, getting your tax ID, getting all that paperwork set up. There's a lot that goes into even before you actually start the agriculture production side of it.
Absolutely. I know that there's a lot of, like you said, organizations that kind of help fall underneath our umbrella, and it's kind of good to navigate that as well. And we also are going to be covering some basic equipment in, I think that's module 2.
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah, and so I know that if somebody is interested in maybe, like they're new to farming, or also they've been in farming for a while, maybe want to check out a new enterprise, we also have that information as well.
Yes, the equipment is a big one, and like with all the categories, ag is constantly evolving and emerging new technologies, different things like that. So even if you've been a farmer for a while, or maybe you've moved away, you've inherited the land and you're coming back to the farm, it's good to this course will be for you too, as far as learning what's new in agriculture, what's the big equipment, what's the newest technologies. And so that really helps you get ahead of the game, because you want to be using the best resources possible.
Right, and we mentioned that this is an area program, so not only is it going to be us involved as well as Allen, but a lot of other counties as well. So you can kind of get to know your agriculture extension agent or horticulture agent a little bit better.
And so after you kind of get through the 4 beginning modules are kind of for everybody, no matter what you're going to go into, they're going to apply to you, that beginning information. But then we're going to have more bonus content that's tailored towards what enterprise you want to get into. So if you've got in your mind, I want to grow this specific crop, or I want to raise this specific animal, then you can just check out that one pathway, and it'll have a lot of good information to help get you started. If you've got a blank slate, you're just like, man, I don't know what I want to do, but I want to do something, you can check out all those pathways and really learn a little bit about each one to kind of gear to, which one do I want to pursue? Do I want to raise an animal? Do I want to raise a crop? And so we have all those different pathways that you can look through to kind of help guide your decision as far as what you want to do going forward.
Absolutely, and I think that's very helpful. Like you said, each module kind of builds off of each other, and there is, a lot of education there, but then also there's a certificate that people can earn at the end of this course. Now, Colby, is there a fee to this? I know you mentioned it's online and how to do that, but is there a fee course?
Yes, there's a small $35 fee, and that's just to keep up with the registration, because we're using this digital platform. It's got a registration fee for all the students, and so this will help us just pay that registration fee and then get you some extra materials. So if you go through the pathways and you would reach out to us and you'd like this material, well, in your fee that you paid, we'll send you whatever materials that you may need. We have great publications and books here at the office that we can get to you, so that kind of is in that fee as well.
Right. Well, Colby, I appreciate you being here. This program is launching, what's the date?
September 15th is going to be our launch.
September 15th. So if you're interested in getting more information in your hands about the upcoming online Farming 101 program, make sure to contact your local extension office here in the Mammoth Cave area, or you can contact us here in Warren County. We appreciate you watching the Farm and Home Show, and we hope to see you again next time.